Hi, this is MigukTV by Sumi and Jinguk. My name is Sumi. Today I'm drawing with charcoal with my mom. My mom is 72 years old. She'll be turning 73 in a month. And I'm drawing with my mom for the first time ever. So this is pretty special, but I'm trying to make it casual so we can do this without any pressure and hopefully continue doing this as often as we can. Today we're drawing one of our houseplants. This one is Amaryllis. I bought the bulb and it flowered maybe once and I kept it in my storage and then try to replant it before Christmas. And it never actually bloomed. Maybe it needed more sunlight. Anyway, we've had this for a long time, so we thought to give it a try. I picked charcoal drawing today because charcoal is one of the first mediums that you hold in your hand when you start learning how to draw.
완전히 깨끗하게 지우진 않지만 그래도 손가락으로 문지르는 것보다는 깨끗하게 지워요. 이걸로 사도 식빵이잖아, 식빵. 빵으로도 지워.
근데 왜 차콜을 그려 이거?
왜? 지우개를 못 지우게 하려고.
Here my mom is sort of complaining why she's using charcoal. So I tease her by saying that so she cannot erase it like pencil. With all the kidding aside, it is true that charcoal lines can be very dark. And it can be frustrating when you're first starting and you want to keep everything clean and tidy. And that is exactly why charcoal is such a great medium for beginners. Right now, I don't really care about making a clean drawing. I am actually trying to not be afraid of making a mess. Toward the end of the video, you'll see that my mother's drawings get darker as she progresses, and she's less and less concerned about making clean drawings. This is the second drawing of the Amaryllis, and you'll see that it's much darker than the previous version. Charcoal's great because you can create a form fairly quickly. You can draw lines with sharp edges and also create shades using the broad sides of charcoal. You can even add smooth area by smudging the lines with your fingers or with chamois, which is lambskin. To me, drawing with charcoal is the closest thing to painting, even though it's a dry medium. So these are the works that my mother and I did today. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.